I know this dude didn't just kill me and take my bike.
Supreme boss, hold that. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here for another episode, and as you can see, we're up on the beach in an alien suit, and you know, we're gonna go on. So before we do anything else, people, please follow the official Instagram page, the name up on the screen. So follow that page, the people, for updates and conversations. Also, subscribe around here if you're new, so you don't miss out on no more episode. Please hit the like button if you like the content we're up on the channel. So we have a whole bunch of subscribers there, so included Agsi, the worst man ever. So we just get into it and just war. So yeah, hit that. Let's go, guys. Move! Hey, yo! Alright, purple win so far, no. Green down, you know. Yo, purple win! Warrior war! Warrior war! Warrior war! Who that? Yo, green on a match, you know? Where green? Oh, hey boy, oh, you have a record. Where your record? Nothing for you see. I can't speak. Go on where you go. None of your business. Yo, what are they? I jump into the car and go where you say the cards. Everybody good? Purple no good?
Yeah, we good.
Yo, a person right away, so I'm no say. Come green, let me pick you up.
Yo!
Let's go. It's about to now. Over there, so. Alright, now forward. Oh, purple, purple good?
I say, you want to kill me again?
It's the purple, I get machine like that sheen. Run come in this. Yo. Hey girl, we're up on the beach. War time on the beach. Come on for the beach. In the air.
Damn! Okay.
You have to do it for ya.
No.
Hey boy.
Don't gang me.
Yes, done him. Done him career. What them there?
Bomba.
Them there far. Who for green car this? The lock. Can't drive it. You good?
In the power now. You'll see my
Everybody's
dog
kill
me.
Me not care of. Yeah, run. Hold him. Hold him down. Hold him. Police are over here. Hold him. Hold him. Hey boy.
Yo, my car got impounded.
Hold that. Hey boy. Hey boy. Yo, I run police. Hey boy. Police, watch it now. Police. 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 Jump, run. Jump, run.
Come here, boy. Come here.
Oh, don't mind help me.
Oh, what that?
Oh, dear. Run, boy, run.
I'm about to die.
Ooh. Yeah, just must kill somebody one time.
Hey boy. Stop him. Stop.
Got him!
Boy, Kingston gunman now have no gun, you know. Boy, Kingston gunman now have no gun.
Damn, okay. Come here. Sit
Yeah, man,
down.
hold him. Yeah, man, Kingston. I tell you, say, no gun. Oh, yeah, try to chat me for traffics.
Traffic. It's big, long time.
Which team I win? That was purple team I win.
Of course.
Now we are win, man.
No way.
Yeah, mash up back seat. See that seat there, go. Mash him up.
Look behind you. Look behind you.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
No, my good man. Nobody behind me.
Look.
Yeah, gunman, I come. Gunman
No,
in
we should do
you.
looking at our net match, man.
Police, what am I doing live? Me a good youth. Wanna come after me for? Watch it. Oh!
Your hard seat, take it care.
What you can do now?
Hey, come here.
Traffic, some killer. Police killer traffic.
Yeah, Babylon, you know?
Come here.
Oh hell no!
You.
Huh.
Come here.
Nope, nope, not today. Try again. Yeah, see
Hey,
now. Yes,
bro.
man, you run on your one player.
Bro, get off me. Bro, chill.
Nope.
Yo,
Thank you.
who you think? Me don't go outside now. Boy, just bust.
Kill me one time, bro.
Just bust a yes man. Just bust a yes man. Yeah, just bust a yes man, man. Just bust a car I kill people.
Oh.
Think. Come on.
Man, he shot me. He shot me.
Why you using a
Bro,
RPG?
that was fair.
He shot me, man. I thought you said no gun.
Oh, who shoot you?
He said no cars too.
Green.
No, that we never said no
Yeah,
car, brother. We said no guns.
Oh,
No
we can't
gun.
drive a car then?
Yeah, no guns, bro.
Come here, come here, come
Yo,
here.
my car got impounded, you know.
Yeah, man. Wait there. Wait there.
Alright,
Move.
we can't drive a car.
Move.
Alright. Right now, everybody I go dead.
Oh.
That's the only thing I would do, bro. Drive a car.
That's rich.
That's rich.
It's your boy, real rich.
Police, watch it to the way, man.
Purple, come to me, come to me.
I could have drive the cop car.
Bombard!
That's
Yo! Can I sing on the like highway? Yo! Watch yourself, you old police boy. Move. I go dead. You not afraid of God, boy? I'm a driver. Water for your oxide. You want to hold him? Hold oxide, man.
Ah, where you come from? Man, where you come from? I just saw purple pop up behind me.
damn.
Police, watch it out the way, man. I don't want to lick you down in a man. Who this? Traffic, jump in. I mean, man. Quick traffic, make you go for them. Put them there. I'm pressing the wheel down yourself.
Turn around.
Roger, that will go up on the boat. Traffic, where you come out for? Where you come out for, traffic? Yo. Okay. Alright. Alright.
Yo, come in, come in. Get in, get in.
So right
Get in
now,
quick.
what I go do?
Get in.
I call a tank on them.
Alright.
I call a tank.
One play it up.
You can't hear me. I call a tank. I call a tank.
You said we can use car, right?
Yeah.
How about the vigilante? We can use that?
What name, sir?
Batman car?
But
Yeah?
one year.
Yeah, man. Use anything you want to use, man. As long as not going on the planet. Well, as long as they not shoot nobody. As long as they not shoot nobody. On you ready?
Yo, where you go? Where I go with that?
Them dead.
Where I go with that?
Them dead.
Yo, alright, you want to do that? You want to do that?
Who there? Oh, we can't see nobody. Everybody's getting like 9. Oh, we can't see nobody.
Whoa,
Everybody there. So that where everybody
This
there?
dude dropping proximity bombs, bro.
Alright, bro.
No,
Just
no
make sure
bomber,
when I
nothing
pull
like
up
that, brother.
on-
Car
when I
and
pull up
melee
on you.
weapon, dog. Boy, your proximity weapon.
Make sure when I pull up on you. You see me?
Oi! How that?
You see me? That's me.
Yeah, man, me know say you, man.
Oh, he got a tank.
So, guys, the game just kicked me out a while ago, and I'm back in it. Let's start calling me. Let's start low me and stop calling my phone, brother. So, me I go back and join the warrior now.
Pull up
So,
on me, bro.
I can see what I go on. Join the
Let's
club.
do it. I kill people in this game for a living.
Top 10 live, man.
Who that?
Top 10 live and
I
kill him,
do.
man.
Before you invite me, I kill people.
What, you mean innocent people will walk up and down?
No.
Wicked and live, boy, yeah.
Well, nice try, buddy.
So people, let me go back at the beach and now. If me can go in on my thing. Come. Ready. Jump in. Let's go.
So just but you still wanna go, bro?
So,
How does I come with bounty upon them, man? Who does a bounty upon them I come up, sir?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Keep it moving. Me know where you come over here for.
Me never say that time, Tyler.
Where you come over here for? Come around with
Come on,
me.
bro. Told you I kill people on this game for a living.
Boy, you're full of chatty, man. I watch a Akeem attack.
Yeah.
Where you come over here, come ramp with me for. Take a little 3 points and take your bounty with it on your head, boy. Ramp. Ramp to the camp. Police, wanna just build, man? Gonna can't manage a warrior. Tell you already. Hey, wanna fight us a fact? No fighting. Where? Move.
Sit down, little
I
kid.
knew you had that. I knew it.
Give me a
I
what?
heard it.
Oh. Watch it, you know. Daddy strip, watch it. Watch it, man. Hey, boy. Watch it.
Bro, stop playing.
Concentrate! Focus!
Me turn over. Turn back. Okay. See there? Line him up. Come out of the car.
Yeah, I really kill up on this.
Who said that? Who said I'm a real kill up on this? Who said that?
Me.
Me who? Where they?
On the beach.
Which part on the beach are they?
Just come on the beach, man.
Me up on the beach?
Just boss.
Yo, me think I beep already, dog. What on?
Come over here, so. Sure, you are going.
I see that fly without wings. Hey.
See me have just bust over here, so I run.
Yo, me think I beep already, dog. I see just blow me tank, man, you.
Hold on. So we
Come on,
can use
man.
Huh?
How open the art?
Nah,
you
see the
think
bag.
it's not, man.
You want
Okay,
it. Just
okay,
bust.
made up on the same team, man. Me not kill him, man. Go on, tough up yourself, man. You're good.
But they drive my bike and boy come use grenade lancer from.
You start up, you know, you start up.
You say, warrior, go on, dog.
the grenade lancer.
Man. Use what it is.
If you come a warp on bike, brother.
No, because the bike come use me can't kill him easy with it.
So him kill a while ago.
I'm grenade launcher I'm use.
Coming to your side.
Bro, you're gonna die regardless, bro. You see that? Come on, man. You missed all those rockets.
I think I remember.
Me know that you come doing a boy.
If you ever need tips on killing people, I could give it to
Pick
you.
them. Pick them like breadfruit.
But you gotta die first though.
Me know that you come to man. Come and try snipe man. Boy, I get flush out like toilet.
Come on, man.
Oh, dog. You can't manage to speed there, brother. I'm telling you that.
Someone please.
Try to do something, you know. Let me see.
So if you're gonna upgrade, we have to try to kill my family.
Yeah, flatten them.
Like, can I hear me? I say,
Don't get up.
kill people if you're living.
That you do?
With car. Yeah, with
Yeah, with car, yeah.
with car.
Flatten them for a living. Yo, something fishy. Oxy silent. How am there? Anytime the man is silent, you know there's something up, brother. I tell you that. Police! What me doing in life? My good youth, where am I down for you? Police, I'm busy over your door.
Oh, he teleported to his house.
Police are gonna kill me. Janu, police are gonna kill me, dog.
Oh, alright. Me kill people if you live it.
Huh?
Who said that?
Don't prove to that.
Boy,
Who that? Who that? What does that get drag around like a dolly?
Not gonna lie, but I forget that.
Who bad?
Let me tell you, man.
Who bad? Who bad?
14 to 4, you know? 14
Oxy,
to
you alright? We are running go, brother.
14 to 4. And 19 to 4.
Oxy, we are running go.
Yes.
Watch out!
Yeah, pull to that.
Yo!
And
Yo!
19 to 4, man.
Bad, man.
Who said them better than me?
This nigga is always doing just sitting down and camping. What's the point? You know, nothing bad about that. Jump on the field, bro. Traffic, so ain't like that.
What?
No, Yako. We know you're forward.
You see, you have a company.
Me know you're forward over here. Police, watch
See,
it.
put them up and say, where you do over
Me
here?
know. I snipe me like a sniper, you know.
No, you just say close door.
I know this dude didn't just kill me and take my bike.
Supreme boss, hold on.
The good news is that you have a day job.
Yo, I'll be.
Yeah, man, hold that. How you feel? Right in your kiss and me shoot you.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man. Run to the camp. Oh, where's that hide, man? Back at them building there. What is?
Oh, come on with your bike.
What is?
Oh,
Who for
you
this?
be at
Who for mess with it?
man. Alright.
Who for mess with it?
Oh, yeah, there.
Oh, God. Yo. Axie is becoming distracted. I shoot.
Come on, man.
You too. Come here, little kid.
The nigga went from Jamaican to American.
Yeah, that me I say. You get the green card fast and jump.
Where you stay from our kingdom, bro?
Fire, brother. Aki, that way I do.
See that closer.
See that man even do it, you know?
You know what me see ya?
We can change the outfit, right?
To what?
I still
So
purple
we're
and
gonna
to a regular outfit.
No, man.
Still purple and green?
Yeah. Purple, and- yeah.
Bro, you should change the name, bro.
Oh,
Kingston Punk man.
Kingston what?
Kingston Punk man.
Must style of Kingston. Man say you're a gun man, I'm slingshot here that use all along.
Come on, man.
Man say a bird bush a come brother with your biggie. That's sweet to eat, Chapix.
Me?
Kingston Gunman.
Oh!
Kingston Gunman.
Yeah, this score is 19-5 now.
What a shot there.
Oh, yeah, there.
Know yourself, Kingston Gunman. I'm watching you. Supreme Boss, what last? Who the fool ya? Kingston Gunman, what I wanna get?
I'm live.
Yo! My boy, Idiot just posted another something there. Actually, they're far, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yes, me now. Yo! Yo, Zado. Somebody got up on a ladder a while ago.
Yo, watch your back.
Bombard. Gunman. Yes, gunman. Yes, gunman. Yo.
Yeah, bro, you got a long way to go.
So you almost got me, I swear to God. You almost got me, I just jumped in time.
Stop trying to snipe me, dude. Sit down.
Boy, key no ramp twang in it. Boy, key America you ban.
So I'm gonna get used to it.
America you ban.
No, dummy as that.
Jump for your daddy.
No. If he was, I wouldn't be here though.
Where are they? You're dead.
No, but that day in a White House, man, in my room.
You're there, way?
In a White House.
Eh? I do what?
Do what Trump's son do.
What him do?
Whatever
Back face,
them
brother.
do.
Man and a girl.
Something alright, yeah.
Wallet! Wallet!
Come on, kid.
Oh, you're dead.
I just
Hold
died.
on,
No, I'm seeing the forward now.
Man,
No, I'm running
man, nobody never in GTA history. Nobody never seen me so much. I swear to God.
You don't have to while ago.
Man.
Actually, you have to while ago.
I bought my net. C4 blew up in my hand.
Me shoot him and have a C4 that blow up in him hand. Oh, boy, dead. No RPG, boy.
So I'm the first one to kill you this much, bro.
First in history, the most somebody ever get other from you is like 5 or 10. 5 or 6.
Stop telling lie, man.
Something like that. I swear to God.
Man, lie, man. We can't nobody never witness it. Stop telling lie, man.
Man,
What are we
not
afraid
even
of?
you killing that
At
man.
12, in about 9, at 12:20 me get.
21 and 6
21, thanks for cutting my boss. 21.
Lie, no dog.
Why you keep killing me?
Bro,
So guys,
You want that
this is
too?
where I'm gonna end the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like on the video. If you're new around here, subscribe for more. Guys, please follow the official Instagram page that's on your screen right now. So guys, until next time, we'll see you when we see you. Peace.
You hear that, bro?